Thank you for purchasing CleanLIfe Smart Lighting. This video will teach you how to set up and control your smart lighting using the CleanLIfe Smart app. Start by removing the contents of the smart tape light from the box. Wireless controller with microphone, an LED light strip, a USB power adapter, and 3 90-degree connectors are included. Now let's get started with the setup. Identify the surface that you want to install the tape light on and measure accordingly. The tape light can be cut at any of the copper connections marked with a scissors icon. Make sure the tape light is completely disconnected from power before cutting. When you're ready to mount the tape light, peel a small amount of the plastic off the back to reveal the 3M adhesive. Apply the tape light by pressing it firmly to your surface. Peel off more of the backing plastic to reveal more adhesive and repeat. Connect the 90-degree connector by lining up the copper contacts on the tape light with the contacts on the inside of the connector, then closing the connector firmly. If desired, use the included adhesive mounting strip to mount the smart controller. Connect the tape light to the controller. Make sure to line up the arrows. Finally, plug the controller into a power source using the included USB power adapter, or into a power-supplying USB port. Warning: make sure to unroll the entire tape light as it will overheat if it's powered on and still on the reel. First, navigate to the App Store on your mobile device. Tap Search and type in CleanLIfe Smart. Tap on the app and tap Get to install. Once the app has finished downloading, you can either sign up for a new CleanLIfe Smart account if you don't already have one, or log in with an existing account. Tap Sign Up. Tap Agree to agree to the privacy policy. If the app did not automatically detect your country code, select the correct country code by tapping on the country code box right here. Enter your email address. Tap the box next to I agree to the user agreement and privacy policy. Then tap Get Verification Code. This will send a verification code to the email address that you provided. If you did not receive the verification code, tap Didn't Get a Code. Enter the verification code sent to your email address. Enter your desired password, then tap Done. Customize your permission settings as desired, then tap Go to App. You have now successfully created a CleanLIfe Smart account, and now you are ready to start setting up your smart lighting. This is the home screen. You can control all of your CleanLIfe smart lighting from this page. However, before we add some devices, we're going to create a home. Creating a home allows you to organize your smart lighting into different rooms. This is especially helpful if you have lots of smart lighting. Tap the Me icon in the bottom right. Tap Home Management. Tap My Home. Type a name for your home. For this video, we're just going to use the name My Home. Tap Home Location to tell the app where the home is located. When you're done, tap OK in the top right corner. Select the rooms in your home that you'll be setting up smart lighting in. When you're done setting up your home, tap Save. Then tap Done. Tap Back. Tap on Home in the bottom left. You can now see that the different rooms you set up are listed horizontally across the top of the app. You can scroll through the rooms by swiping left and right, and select a room by tapping on it. Selecting a room will show you all of the devices assigned to that room. Tap the plus in the top right corner to add a device. Tap the model of CleanLIfe smart lighting that you would like to set up. At this point, make sure your smart light is connected to a power source if you haven't already. It's important to note that your smart lighting must be used with a standard light switch, not a dimmer switch. If you would like to dim your smart lighting, you can do so through the CleanLIfe Smart app or Smart Assistant, which we will go over later in this video. To put the tape light into pairing mode, hold down the power button on the controller for over 5 seconds until the light is rapidly blinking. Connect the smart light to your home Wi-Fi network by entering your network password. Tap Change Network if the app has not selected the correct Wi-Fi network. If you're not currently connected to a Wi-Fi network, the app will let you know. It is important to note that the smart LED light strip is only compatible with 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi networks. If you need to set up a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network, contact your internet service provider or router manufacturer for help doing so. Tap Confirm once the light is rapidly blinking, then tap Next. You can pair multiple lights at the same time as long as they're all rapidly blinking. Once you tap Next, the smart light will begin pairing to your app. If the pairing fails, please repeat the pairing process again. Once successfully paired, you can now control your smart light from the CleanLIfe Smart app. Tap the power icon to turn your light on or off. You can use the brightness slider or the built-in preset buttons to change the intensity of the light. Tap Colors to change your light to your choice of a wide variety of colors. Grab the color wheel and drag it to select your color. Grab the small circle at the top of the color wheel and move it up and down the line to change the saturation. You can also select a color from the color preset buttons. Tap Scenes to change your light to a variety of preset scenes. You can modify existing scenes by selecting the scene you wish to modify and then tap Edit in the top right corner. And make a new scene from scratch by tapping Add New. Let's try making a new scene now. Tap Scene Name and give your scene a name. We'll call this one Bedtime. Tap Scene Color to set what the light will look like when this scene is selected. The controls here are the same as controlling the light normally. You can select from white or color at the top and fine-tune the look with the sliders. When you're done, tap Save. Tap Mode to set whether the light will stay the same or change over time when the scene is selected. Jump will have the light immediately change from one color to another, whereas Color Cycle will have it change gradually over time. You can assign an image to your scene by tapping Add Scene Image. You can either take a photo or choose one from your photo library. Tap Save once you've finished creating your scene. Tap Music Sync to have your light change and sync to the music in the room. Tap OK to allow the app to access your microphone in order to use Music Sync. You can choose whether you want the light to sync to your controller microphone or your phone's microphone by tapping on their respective buttons. If you pair more than one smart light, you can group them together and control them at the same time. To set up a group, select the light you'd like to make a group with. Tap the 3 dots in the top right corner of the light control screen. Tap on Create Group. Select all the lights that you want to add to the group. Tap Save. Give your group a name. Then tap Save. To schedule an individual or group of lights to turn on or off at specific times throughout the day, tap Schedule. Tap Add Schedule at the bottom of the screen. Adjust the time, which days you want the schedule to take effect. If you don't select any days, the schedule will only execute once. Choose whether the lights turn on or off at the selected time, and what color you want them to change to. Once you're done, tap the Save button to save the schedule. You can turn schedules on and off using the on-off switch to the right of each schedule. Swipe left on a schedule and tap Delete to delete it. Tap back in the top left to return to the My Home screen. You're now ready to start using the CleanLIfe Smart app with all of your smart lighting. To learn how to control your smart lighting with your voice, check out our videos on how to set up your lighting with Amazon Alexa and Google Home. Thank you for purchasing CleanLIfe Smart Lighting. Visit CleanLifeSmart.com for more products and the latest product information.